Hey everyone. Today's repair is simple, but we're gonna learn a few useful tips along the way. We have a Redmi Note 11S here with a no earpiece sound problem. As you can see, there's no sound coming from the speaker. So, let's start by checking the circuit. When troubleshooting, it's always best to start from the end of the circuit. The earpiece line is clear, and after passing through two coils, it goes to the audio IC. Now, let's check the output paths from the circuit to the IC. Set your multimeter to diode mode. The first pin looks normal, no issues there. But the second pin shows no resistance, it's all. The rest of the path is on the other side of the board, so we'll remove the shield covering the audio circuit. Alright, the shield is off. Let's check the line again. As you can see, one of the coils has come off due to a drop or impact. By jumping the coil pad, we can restore the connection. Now both pins show proper readings again. Let's test the phone. And that's it. The earpiece speaker is working again.
7, 6, 7.
If you found this video helpful, please support me with a like and subscribe.